Assalamu alaikum. This is Robil Islam Robin. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be show you how to create an animated gear slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have taken example of trust and respect, where I have created two gears, the one with the man icon and other gear added the woman icon. And I have added the shadow effect at the back side. How the slide works: when I click, the gear will start spinning. Let me just show you how it works. When I click, you can see here started spinning. So like this, you can see also many examples. Like I have created one more example where I have just said the time is money. I have added the two gears again. The one with the clock, you can see the needles here. Others gear I have added the icon of the currency or the money. So depending on your requirement, you can just choose anything or change anything as per as your requirement. So let's get started. At the beginning, we need to open PowerPoint. Go to Start menu, select the PowerPoint, and select the blank presentation. Go to View tab and enable the guides. Okay, now pressing the Ctrl A for select all and backspace for delete. Now I need a shapes. So go to Insert tab, Shapes, and select the flowchart terminator shapes. Draw here. Change the size 3 and 0.54. Okay. Go to shape outline, select no outline. Go to align, align center, align middle. I need another same shapes, that's why I'm pressing the Ctrl D for duplicate and go to align, align center, align middle. Now I'm holding the Alt key and pressing the right arrow on the keyboard 1, 2 and 3 times. Now I'm pressing Ctrl D for duplicate again and pressing the right arrow 1, 2, 3 times. I need another shapes, that's why I'm pressing Ctrl D again and holding the Alt key, pressing right arrow 1, 2, 3 times. Now I need a oval shape. Go to Insert, Shapes and select the oval shapes. Click and drag here. Change the size 2.2. It also 2.2. Go to Shape Outline, select No Outline. Align Center and align Middle. Pressing the Ctrl A, select all, go to Merge Shapes and select the Union. Now all of the shapes make one shape. Now change the shape size, holding the Ctrl Shift and resize it like that. Okay, now I need another circle, that's why I'm select oval, holding the Ctrl Shift and drag here. Okay, go to shape fill, change the fill color like that color, shape outline, no outline. Right click here and go to format background and change the background color like that color. Select the gear shape and change the color, shape fill and pick on the white color. Okay, now pressing Ctrl A for select all and place it here. Now press the Ctrl D for duplicate and place it right here. Click on that point and rotate it like that. Okay. Now change the gear color. Go to format shape and shape fill. I choose that color and I'm change the circle color. It look like white color. Now I need some icon. Go to insert and select the icon. And find out the people. Select the two icon. Of course, you need the internet connection if you download this type of icon. Okay, insert it. Okay, now place it here, resize it, place it here and resize it. Okay, now I need a text box. Go to insert and select the text box. Draw here. Go to format shape. Align center. Write it trust and respect. Go to home tab. Change the font. It was TWCEN and MT. Make it bold. Give the text shadow. Change the font size. And change the align. Now I need another slide. That's why I'm right click here and duplicate the slide. At first change the background. I'm changing the background color. Change that shape color. And change the circle color. Select the circle. Go to format shape. And change the fill color like that color. And remove the icon. I need another icon. That's why I'm go to insert and click on icon. Click on icon and I'm searching the commerce and select the currency icon. Insert. Okay. Place it here and resize it. Okay. Now I'm drawing the clock. That's why at first I need a needle. That's why select the triangle isoscale shapes and draw here. Little bit smaller. Okay, and go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill, like black color. Ctrl D for duplicate, rotate, flip vertical and place on it. Holding the Ctrl key, select the two shapes, Ctrl G for group and little bit smaller. And change the white. Double click the second shape, go to shape fill, select no fill. I need another shapes, that way Ctrl D for duplicate and change the white little bit smaller. Go to rotate right 90 degree and place on it here. Now I need a circle. Go to insert, go to shapes and the oval shape, holding the Ctrl Shift, doing the shapes like that, and go change the shape outline, no outline, shape fill like that color and place on it here. Select the small circle and Ctrl D for duplicate. Go to shape fill, select that color and resize it and place on it here. Okay, Ctrl D for duplicate and place on it here. Ctrl D for duplicate again and place on it here. Ctrl D for duplicate again and place on it here. Now I'm going to first slide. Select the first gear and give an animation. Go to animation, add animation and select the spin. Okay, animation is running. Go to animation pane, double click here, timing, duration 10 seconds, repeat option until end of slide and OK. Select the second gear, add animation, it also spin and double click here, go to settings, effect option, amount, counterclockwise, go to timing, select 10 seconds, select the with previous, repeat option until end of slide, select OK. Now go to second slide and first gear, add animation, it also spin, double click here, timing, duration, it is 10 seconds, repeat option until end of the slide and start with previous. Okay. Now select the second gear, add animation, it also spin, double click here, amount, it is counterclockwise, timing, start with previous, duration 10 seconds, repeat option until end of slide. Okay. Sorry, duration is 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, now I give another animation. Select the first needle, go to add animation, it is spin, double click here, timing is like 30 seconds, repeat option until end of slide, start with previous and select OK. Now I need another animation, that's why select the second needle, add animation, spin, double click here, go to timing, it's like 60 seconds, repeat option until the end of the slide, start with previous and press OK. Oh, I'm sorry, it is 60 seconds and press OK. Now I'm change the slide name. It is time is money. I'm missing the shadow effect. I need to give that. Go to insert and click on the oval shape. Ctrl Shift, select and drag here. Go to shape fill, change the color, shape outline, no outline. Right click the shapes and go to format shapes. Go to effects, shadow, transparency, 50. Go to soft text and size is 50. Okay, now place here, right click here and send to back. Okay, Ctrl D for duplicate and place on it here, right click and send to back, place on it. Okay, Ctrl C for copy and go to second slide, Ctrl V for paste, right click here and send to back, Ctrl D for duplicate and place on it here, right click and send to back. Go to slideshow and from beginning. Our animation is ready. Well done! Our animation is completely working. This is our first animation that's name, trust and respect. We have another animation that's named time is money. It also completely working. You can download this template for free. I have given a link in the video description. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe this channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next tutorial and thanks for the watching.